The goalkeeper reached up to punch the football over the crossbar. The young girl reached into the inside of the box. The young girl reached out to grab the apple of the tree. The dog reached up to get her treat. The woman reached under the bed to get a pair of shoes. The blonde-haired man reached into the hole in the ground. The crazy fans reached out to grab hold of their favorite pop star. The goalkeeper reached out to save and catch the football. The woman in the bed reached out to turn off her alarm clock. The businessman reached out his hand to get help up the ladder. The woman reached under the living room table to get a pair of shoes. The father reached down to pick up her child. The woman reached out to grab the handle of the door. The woman on the right reached up to try and grab hold of the basketball. The women reached up to try and get a piece of the chocolate cake. The man reached to grab hold of the bottle in the water and read the message in the bottle. The woman in the supermarket reached out to get a jar of vegetables. The hands reached out to grab hold of the car keys. The man on the left reached out his arm. The man reached his hand into the fridge to get something to eat. The woman reached up to get a book off the shelf in the library. The university student reached up to get a book off the shelf in the university library. The female tennis player reached out to hit the tennis ball. The businessman reached up to grab hold of the dangling carrot. The person drowning in the water reached out to grab hold of the lifebuoy. The man reached up to touch the star. The man in the pub reached out to grab hold of the pint of Guinness. The baby reached out to touch the toys. The hand reached out to grab hold of the rope. The boy reached up to grab something. The woman reached out to get the cup of coffee. The woman on the couch reached out to get a glass of wine but spilled it on the carpet. The cat reached up to catch the fish and have it for dinner. The man reached behind his back to grab the sticky note. The clown reached up to grab hold of something on the rock face.